Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome looking smoked potato salad with chimichurri sauce and crunchy bacon. Stay tuned! It's time to grill! I'm always looking for great side dishes that can be cooked on your smoker. So for today we're gonna need some potatoes, like so. We're gonna put them into a bowl of water and pre-cook them for approximately 25 minutes. After 25 minutes we get rid of the skin, we peel them. I will fasten this up a little bit. Like always, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. So if you want to cook this smoked potato salad, which is really delicious, then you should join the video description. There might be some other interesting tips, tricks and links in there, especially for my US viewers. I try to get the original US links for you. And once you're ready with peeling these, we're gonna put this into a pan. This is a pan with holes in it. I use it for smoking and grilling veggies, so today for the potatoes is just perfect. We're gonna put this on our smoker. We're going to smoke with hickory wood today. We're going to smoke these for 2 hours, 110 degrees Celsius, approximately 225 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we can start our sauce. In Germany, potato salad is very popular, but there are kind of two parties. That's the party with oil, vinegar and veggie stock in it, and the mayonnaise part. The part where I live is more the mayonnaise party, but today we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 4 to 5 tablespoons of your chimichurri sauce. If you don't get chimichurri sauce, you can do a mojo verde or mojo rojo. There are a lot of great sauces out there that can be used for this recipe idea. So only one thing left is freshly chopped white onion. Due to the fact that the chimichurri sauce is really intense with the vinegar and the salt and all the herbs in there, it's not necessary to add more ingredients to the salad sauce. So these are the potatoes. They really look golden brown after 2 hours of smoking. And we're gonna let them cool down a little bit. And once they cool down, we're gonna slice these bad boys here exactly. Doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe if you are interested in an original German potato salad video, please let me know in the comments. I will try to set up a video for that as well. I'm not sure if you guys from outside Germany are so much into this idea of German potato salad. So again, we speed this up a little bit, and then we're gonna put all the cut potatoes into our dressing, and that's all we need. That's all we need. So just give it a good mix. And as I mentioned in the beginning, there will be bacon coming up on top of this. Now you have 2 possibilities. If you ask me, you can cook your bacon in a cast iron pan and add it to the salad sauce, which is one idea. It gives a nice flavor of bacon to the potato salad. Or the other one I prefer today is cook your bacon in the meantime, grill it crispy and put it on top as a topping, so you get a nice crunchy bacon flavor in your mouth while eating this potato salad. So just a little bit more of that chimichurri sauce, add the bacon, and then we're gonna give this a shot. In the meantime, I would like to thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber from 0815 Barbecue, you can just do it by clicking on the left logo. We're seeing us again next Barbecue Thursday. I hope you have a great time. Please hit that like button, thumbs up and comment. Let me know what your favorite potato salad recipe is. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.